Hello kids, welcome back. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D and numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start. Pink color. Kids, A, B, C, D, E, F, G and numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Purple color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's read again. A for apple. B for butterfly. C for car. D for duck. E for elephant. F for fish. G for gorilla. Numbers 1 ONE 1, 2 TWO 2, 3 THREE 3, 4 FOUR 4, 5 FIVE 5, 6 SIX 6, 7 SEVEN 7, 8 EIGHT 8, 9 NINE 9. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.